can you find the area of ABC in triangle ACP it is ACP. This angle is 90 degrees and suppose this angle is alpha, then this angle it will be 90 degrees minus alpha. If this angle is alpha, then this angle it will be 90 degrees minus alpha. And in triangle BCQ it is BCQ. This angle is 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees minus alpha. So this angle it will be again alpha. This angle is alpha and this angle it will be 90 degrees. And now AM is equal to PM. Suppose A. If AM is A, then PM it will be also A. And in triangle BPM and triangle APC, angle BPM is equal to angle APC, that is 90 degrees, and angle PBM is equal to angle PAC, that is alpha. So triangle BPM it will be similar to triangle APC. Hence BP over AP it will be PM over PC, and BP is 10 over AP is A plus A, that will be 2A, and PM is A, PC is 6, and 2 times 5 is 10. So 5 over A it is A over 6, and if we cross multiply then 5 times 6 it will be A times A, and 30 it is A squared. So A it will be root 30. We get A is root 30, and now area of ABC it will be 1 over 2 times base is BC and height is AP, and it is 1 over 2 times BC is 10 plus 6, that will be 16, and AP is A plus A, that will be 2a, and 2 will get cancelled, so it is 16 times a, and it is 16 times a is root 30,